In this video, I will show you how to create an account on BandLab. Just watch and follow this video till the end. Open BandLab like this or BandLab like this and then choose how you want to sign up or create or log in on the app. Choose, for example, the Google option and choose one of your Google accounts. For me, I would choose this one and click agree and share. And after that you have to wait little and then you have to add your username. It's inapp35. Click next and tell us more about you. For example, I'm a guitarist and bass player. Click next and your favorite type of music, for example rock and blues. Click next. And here you have to add artist that is inspiring you. For example, I would choose Pink Floyd, for example, and AC/DC. Here. So after that, guys, click next, and you have right now to follow. So after that, if you want to follow, you have to follow at least like one creator. For example, I will follow all them and click next. So congratulations, you create an account on BandLab. That's all in this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.